Prescribe. This is your Mad Yogi Aileen, welcoming you to number 6 of our Mini Flow series challenge. And I'm actually really excited for this particular Mini Flow because I'm going to give you a teaser for the 2 new collections in our online yoga rooms. Right now we have the Dosha series in the Dosha room, the Equinox series in the Equinox room, and the balance bundle for both, where you can get both. Now we are going to have 2 new ones. Yay, I'm really excited for that. One is the Celestial series. I'm not going to give you more on that one. That's to come in the next mini flows. But if you review the other mini flows, we're already kind of teasing what's going to happen in the Celestial series. And the other one is the Verve series. Now the Verve series is inspired by a few things. Yeah, one, it does have HIIT flows. So HIIT is high intensity interval training. We are going to be using a timer during those flows. And they are also Yoga Shred inspired. And Yoga Shred is under the copyright of Sadie Nardini, and I am Yoga Shred trained. So these are Yoga Shred inspired flows. How many times can you say Yoga Shred? Yeah, there you go. Yoga Shred, Sadie Nardini, I'm trained under her. So it is inspired by that, and inspired as well by our original sequences, our Dosha Vinyasa Yoga. So it's a nice combination of those two, plus my own take on HIIT movements and yoga poses. So it's a nice marriage of those two concepts as well, HIIT and our Dosha Vinyasa Yoga. Anyway, so let's come to the top of your mat. Now I will just quickly show you some of the key moves, and then you can move from the modified versions to the more intense versions if you want to, okay? So feet just 1 hip width distance apart. We're going to come into a chair pose, but we'll start with a high chair and we're going to lift the arms up. When the arms are up, squeeze your rhomboids and your upper trapezius and retract your scapula as well, yeah, your shoulder blades. The hands are open when they're up, and we're going to bring them in fists, in really tight fists. Pull them in close to the body, and as we're doing this, we're going to lift on the flats of our toes. Yeah, not on the tiptoes, just on the flats of the toes, and come back to chair. Whenever we're in chair, bring the body weight towards the heels. So those knees never far beyond the ankle, especially never far beyond the toes, yeah? Slide them back. The hips are also towards the back, so the body is in a bit more of a angle here, a tilt. That's to bring the knees and the hips a little bit more towards the back, body weight towards the back. And we're here in chair. So we can come into this movement, or if you're feeling like it, from chair you can also hop here. Yeah? A small hop is enough, or for those who are really into the HIIT, the high intensity interval training, you can hop really high as well. Yeah? So let's do it. And start. Just prepare the body here first, stretch it out. So chair, yeah? 2 hops or 2 heel lifts first. Lift, lift from chair, hands down, step back to your plank. Step forward, chair, 2 lifts. And we're going to rest for 10 seconds. You can have backward kicks like this to lengthen out the quads, and let's do it. Hop or lift. Hands down. Step back, plank. Step up. Chair. Hop. Hop. Hands down. Step back. Step forward. Chair. And reset. Kick your legs up. Lengthen out the quads a little bit. Yeah? Chair. Lift. Lift. Forward fold. Step back. Step forward. Chair. Hop. Hop. Down. Drop back. Jump forward. Chair. And let's breathe. Walking it out, soften the body. Give yourself a bit of a sway even. Let's do this now. Hop, hop, forward fold. Step back, step forward. Chair, up, up, down, back, forward. Chair, hop, hop, and rest. Breathe, exhale through the mouth. Up, up, forward fold. Plank, forward fold. Chair, up, up, down, back, forward. Chair, up, up, down, back, forward. And rest. Exhale through the mouth. Up, up, down, back, forward. Do it in your own pace and rest. Allow your belly to balloon out, yeah? To accommodate your breath. Down, back, forward, up, up, down, back, forward, chair. Lift, lift, down, back, forward. A bit of a skip there. That's okay. Don't rush. Doesn't have to be fast. Yeah? Let's slow it down. If you want to. We do want to lift up the heart rate though. And we are done. Breathe. Lengthen out the body. Breathing. Chair. Heel lift. Heel lift. Chair. Hands down. Step back. Step forward. Chair. Let's try to hop. And another hop. Forward fold. Step back. Step forward. Chair. And rest. Breathe. Exhale through the mouth. And walk it out. Chair. Hop. Hop. Forward fold. Let's try it. Hop back to plank. Hop forward. Chair. Up. Up. Chair. Forward fold. Back. Forward. Now chair. Up. Last one. And let's rest. Breathing. Don't stop your breath. Down, back, forward, chair, up, up, chair, back, forward. Should have said plank. Down, back, forward, and rest. Kick your legs to the back to lengthen out the quads a bit. Now chair, let's do this. Up, up, forward fold, plank, forward fold, chair, up, up, down, back, up, chair, up, up, and rest. Lengthen out your quads and breathe. Up, down, back, forward, up. Doesn't have to be very fast. Breathing. And rest. Just checking the timer there. Don't worry about the time. Give that to me. Up, oops, up, down, back, forward. Chair, chair, back, forward, and rest. Breathe through your mouth, especially now. Up, up, down, back, forward, chair, up, up, down, back, forward, chair, up, up, down, back, forward, and rest. Breathe. Chair, up, up, down, back, forward, chair. Heel lift if you want to. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed that. Before we end our mini flow challenge, right hand on your heart space, left hand spread it across your belly. You can close your eyes here, but keep moving, keep swaying. Sigh with your exhalations. Through the mouth, it rapidly cools down the body. And when your heart rate and your breath rate are more or less back to equilibrium, then you can either choose rest in a short shavasana or get on with your day. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. And I will see you next time in our mini flow challenge. Namaste. Well done on finishing your class. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you want ad-free premium versions of this class, the entire library of classes, not all of the channels are going to appear here on YouTube, and the course and workshop channels as well, and the workshop sheets, some of which are exclusive to the Mad Yogi Club members. So come and join me on our website, madyogi.net, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!